Hi, my name is Falana Polite, and this is my data overview presentation at Port Wentworth Elementary School, presented for the faculty. The purpose of this data overview is to review CRCT student achievement results at Port Wentworth Elementary School. By looking at this longitudinal data between 2011 and 2013, we will be able to identify areas of strengths, weaknesses, and develop a plan to improve student learning. Here is our school's demographic information from 2011 through 2013. As you can see, we have a high English language learner population. Our school has an ESOL program, and we are one of 5 schools in the county that offer this program. Here we have our 3rd grade students that met or exceeded the CRCT in English language arts and reading. In English language arts, student performance increased by 7.6% over the 3-year period. In reading, students made a 4.8% gain. Our data on our 4th grade students shows a 10.9% increase from year 1 to year 3 on the CRCT reading test and an 8.4% increase in English language arts. Definitely a strength in this area. On our 5th grade students' performance, there was a decline in test scores from 2011 to 2013 with a decrease of 3.9% in reading. In English language arts, there was an increase of 7% from year 1 to year 2, but then a drop by 5.8% from year 2 to year 3. And this is the information that I just discussed on the previous slides. Now we will take a look at the data in the school and compare it with scores in the state. We're going to start with our 3rd graders. In the school year 2011, that was the only year the state scores were higher than the school scores. On our 4th grade students' performance, there was a big gap in reading and in English language arts between the school and state in the school year 2011. The achievement gap closed by 2013 in reading, but in English language arts, students in the school were still performing lower than students in the state. In this chart, we can see that students in the school are performing lower than students in the state on the CRCT reading and English language arts test. There is a 9.8% achievement gap in reading. And here's the information on the data we just discussed on the previous slides. Here I have 3rd grade students in the school and in the state. On the reading CRCT, 93.2% of the students met or exceeded compared to 90.6% in the state. This is definitely a highlighted strength for our school. On the English Language Arts CRCT in 2013, 85.7% of our students met or exceeded, and 92.5% in the state met or exceeded. This is an area that we're going to work on improving throughout the school year. On the Reading CRCT in 2013, 83.1% of our students met or exceeded on the test compared to 92.5% in the state. So now we see our third grade students in the area of reading. That is definitely a strength for our school. The school will need to develop a plan to close the achievement gap and increase student performance for our fourth grade students and our fifth grade students in the areas of reading and English language arts. As we look at our CRCT reading and English language arts data from 2011 to 2013, we see many areas of strengths for our school, and there are some areas that are in need of improvement. In particular, we need to focus on closing the achievement gap between our school and the state in the areas of English language arts for our fourth grade students and in reading for our fifth grade students. Now that we have this data, how can we use it to plan instruction to increase student achievement? Thank you.